Welcome back to the channel. Hey, thank you for tuning in to another amazing video. So today's do-it-yourself fun activity is called Super Smash Brothers. Now, if you guys have never played it, it's a very fun game that you're going to enjoy. So make sure you stay tuned and don't go anywhere. All right, so for this fun do-it-yourself activity, you're gonna need a few household items. You're gonna need some plastic cups, a hula hoop, as well as some ping pong balls. So make sure you stay tuned and I'll demonstrate this in just a moment. All right, so here we go. Again, my goal is to get my green golf ball to knock out my other green golf ball out of the hula hoop, okay? Now, if it is not, then I'm gonna have to go to the other side and try and hit it from that side. I'm gonna go back and forth. So here we go. This is just a demonstration. 3, 2, 1, go. I didn't get it out, so I'll have to come back to this side. Now I'm gonna try again. I didn't get it out. I'm trying to smash my ball out of there. And I'm gonna have to go back and forth until I can smash my ball out. Okay, so that's gonna be our first round. All right, so here we go. Jordan's gonna be on that side over there, and then I'm gonna be on this side. And then again, I'm going for the green ping pong, and Jordan's going for the orange ping pong ball. Ready? Set. I got my green ball out first, so therefore I win this game. So we're gonna start again. All right, so here we go. Jordan has one win, I have another win. So we're tied up. We're gonna go one more round for round number 1. So 3, 2, 1, go. Level 2, we have to knock each other's balls out of the stadium. Level 2, again, we're going for our opponent's colored ball. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. All right, so now we're moving on to level 3. Now level 3, we've added our plastic cups. They're gonna be our barriers to try to block the ball from being shot out. So therefore, we need to still aim for our opponent's balls, okay? So we're on to level 3. Level 3, now knock out your opponent's colored ball with barriers. Ready? 3. All right, so if you guys wanted to challenge yourself, you can make it all the balls inside the hula hoop, stand on one side, and have 1 minute to knock out as many balls as you can. So
1, go. 1. That's 2. That's 3, 4. That's 5, 6. That's 7, 8. time. 3, 2, 1, go. One. 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8.
And time. Jordan got 18, and I believe I got 8, so. Well, really hope you enjoyed that game of Super Smash Bros. Make sure you don't forget to
like, subscribe, and comment.
And as always, at the P Spot, the fun never stops. Until next time, take care.